Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll start with a new concept on set, that is set comprehension. Now, when I'm talking about set comprehension, uh, it is a concise way to create sets based on iterable objects. Now, it is similar to list comprehension. It is used to generate set by applying an expression to each item in the iterable. Now, set expressions comprehensions are useful when you need to create a set from the result of applying some operation or filtering elements from another iterable. So either you want to create a set using some other items from some other data type sequence, you use the set comprehension. So it is a concise way to create sets based on iterable objects. Now, usually, when we are talking about set comprehension, uh, the syntax that you'll use is in this way. So the syntax would be the link. Oh, sorry. So it would be we need to have a variable which would be equal, which will be storing all the sets. So I'll have an expression. If you remember, when we are talking about any set comprehension or list comprehension, you need to have an expression first for any item in the iterable. So iterable could be a list, it could be a tuple, it could be a set. Yeah. And based, if you want to add a condition, can put a condition. Yeah. So putting the curly braces now, since the syntax is uh, is within curly braces, the output will be stored in a set. If it would have been square brackets instead of curly braces, I would have added square bracket, then it would have been list comprehension. Yeah. So instead of square brackets, we are using curly braces to put it as a set comprehension. Yeah. Now, let me quickly run through an example so you get an idea. So suppose I want to square numbers. I say squared number. I want to store them in a squared set. Yeah, using the set comprehension. Yeah. So I have x into uh, x star star 2. If you remember, that is the power symbol. So x raised to 2, that is the expression we have seen in the syntax. X is the item within the set. So if I have to define a set or a iterable, I have given a range. So any range from 1 to 11. So 11 is skipped, then it will take 1 to 10. Yeah. So 1 to 10, because always the last item is n minus 1. So it would be 11 minus 1. And I'll print the squared set. So let's see what is the output. I'll explain you what happens. So it will square all the numbers from 1 till 10 and put it in a set. Yeah, you can see. So we have this squared set. Yeah, within this range. Okay. Now we can also filter elements based on the list comprehension. So how do I filter? By putting a condition. So filtering elements using set comprehension. How would I do that? I'll say I want to see all the even numbers from a range. Yeah. So what I'm doing here is I'm assuming X in a range from 1 to 11. I'm trying to find which are the even numbers. So even numbers are those who after dividing by 2 gives the remainder as 0. Yeah. So always the remainder of even number is 0. Yeah. And then we'll print. So let's see what is the output. It should give you 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah. Because these numbers are divisible by 2 and the remainder is always 0. Wherein it's not in the case of odd numbers. Yeah. So this is how you can use set comprehension towards getting with desired output based on condition, or if you want to have an expression being run, or if you want to create nested set comprehension. So if you want to create nested sets, so nested sets using list comprehension. Yes. So what I can do is nested set. Yeah. I'll say nested set equals to, yeah. Then I have the curly braces. I will have X and Y. Yeah. What I'm doing is I'm having creating a tuple. Yeah. Since it is within parentheses, I'm creating a tuple X and Y for every value in X, and within X, every value in Y. Yeah. So the output would be like 1, comma 1, 1, comma 2, 1, comma 3. Yeah. Each being a tuple, etc. Till you get 3, comma 3. Yeah. Let's see the output. I'll print the nested set. Can you see this? So you have the output 3, comma 3. Yeah. So currently it is sorted. So 1, comma 2, 2, comma 1, 3, comma 1. It is all done. 1, comma 1, 2, comma 3. Yeah. So it is a nested set. So if I would have added a list instead of set, instead of tuple, I would have got all the list within the. Let me see if I missed anything. I'm giving the set. Yeah, it is giving me the right answer. Yeah. So this is how you can use the list comprehension to get some expression run, or if you want to run some conditional statements on the set, or you want to have nested sets being created. Yeah. So this is all about list comprehensions. Hope you like this video and you'll use the set comprehensions for your data manipulation. Yeah. Do share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any views or if you have any additions or suggestions which will help our viewers to learn something more out of it. Do share this video with everyone and subscribe to my channel to get such informative video directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.